Hi, I'm Vincent, and today I'm going to show you how to be an expert in 1 minute. Ever wondered how you can clean sensitive electronics or electrical equipment without sending it to a costly specialist center? Well, when you have serious work to do, you bring in the specialist. WD-40 Specialist Fast Drying Contact Cleaner. Firstly, always remember to switch off all equipment and let the hot surface cool down before you start with the cleaning process. Just hold it up and give it a good spray. Give it a couple of seconds and it's dry. You can also use it on any electrical equipment and contacts with dielectric strength up to 35,000 volts. Likewise, you may use it for fuse blocks and electrical connectors. Just spray the WD-40 Specialist Fast Drying Contact Cleaner onto each connector generously. Check each end of the fuse to make sure that it's completely clean before inserting it back to place. The solution works rapidly to penetrate hard-to-reach areas, cleaning oil, dirt, flux, residue, and condensation. Best of all, it dries quickly without leaving any residue behind. And that's all you need to become an expert in 1 minute.